Quite a bit of water flowing through here. Child care. Sesame Street rebuild. This is where the crud ends up. Erosion. And a lost tree. Quite a bit of tree down there. Pike streak. Wow, look at things float around. Quite the current running through here. It's really well scoured. This is the old crossing here. Still a lot of water. Beaver prints. See where stuff ends up. The upper part. Very upper loop. Somebody painted their own street sign. Strawberry Lane kind of fills up here. You can really see the successive deposit lines here at Not Chumley Land. The back of Ray's. This may be too flooded to get through, but I'm going to try. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to make this. I got boots on, but I don't think I brought my hip boots. Well, I might be able to make it across. Shallower over here. Well, I made it through. Well, the pond's left after the flood. Here's the front of Ray's. Things that float away or float around. It's a big floatable. Lucky it survived. Anything not nailed floats. The deck even came up. I take it back. That's a fence section that ended up floating in here. really see where the roads are. They fill up with water. Another one. One here on Indian Creek. This bridge is really undersized for the water packing up behind it. Staff kitchen, there's a picnic table. And of course the timbers for the bridge going across Indian. He saved them. Sink stood well. But in the kitchen, everything floated away. It's definitely way above the counter. But there's usually a lot more. This is all flooring in here. And it's all gone. I see how they've put some of the stuff up in the air. That was good. Look at the patterns underneath it. Really see the way the water flowed through here. Wow. This type of erosion has been attributed to moles, but I don't believe it. I think this water eddying around the point here, and as it creates little whirlpools, it just rips up the ground underneath. And then there's an current eddy stream that goes this way. And I've seen it. It's just little whirlpools. It's because the river changes direction right up here, coming through East 13th. Really scarifies the land. There's some deposition behind the pole. See the direction of the currents. There's two currents. They're really coming out of here. Look at this. There's almost nothing left. It's just hardpack. And of course the junction. This is the junction. See, there's eddy currents that run all the way along here. And then the river changes and goes right through there. I know, because I got caught in it. But you look at this. This deposition there of sand. And other finds. And this water's moving fast because what's dropping out is the heavy stuff. Then you get into here and boy, it's just eroded like you wouldn't believe. Moves real fast here. I think this is some of the clay they put in to try and hold this down. It's actually working pretty good. You can see from the gravel, just it's only the big stuff that stayed here. And then here's some erosion and filled in with all the floating gravel. Probably a good one to mine for gold. Look at that. And then just walking back through our gate. See, we've got the path blocked already. Some stuff floating around in here. Margot and Brian's hay bale, composting, and will probably sprout in hay. Well, of course, this was straw. Maybe not. Well, it's so open back here. The bricks survive pretty well. Had a little bit of flow through here. Of course, it's going this way. You can actually see the depth of the erosion behind the bale, from the bale sitting there. Erosion in front and erosion in back. Nice, fresh, I assume beaver prints on the trail, some on the other side of the river. And then back here, nice deer print. And another one. Going down the path, and another one. And another one. Going on down the path. A beaver feeding area. Look at this knot on this tree. And a beaver trail. This is a beaver trail coming up from the water. And we're coming up here to the field.